नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम भाषा ज्ञान अभ्यास करेंगे। दैट इज टुडे विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 8, भाषा ज्ञान, नॉलेज ऑफ द लैंग्वेज। इसमें पहला अभ्यास है वस्तुओं की संख्या एक से अधिक बताने वाले शब्दों को बहुवचन कहते हैं। दैट मीन्स words that tell us about more than one thing is called plural. So in Hindi we say bahuvachan for plural. The first one is already done for you in the textbook. Ka, cheese. Cheese means a thing, and when you have to make it plural it becomes cheese. You can see a symbol written on consonant ja. Second one is kamra. Kamra means one room. Now you have to make it a plural one. You have to just add the chinnam a, symbol of a. Third one, paudha. Paudha means a plant. You have to write the plural of paudha. Fourth one, gada. Gada means a pot. You have to make it plural. I hope you all have written it. Now let's check the answer. The first one is cheese. It is plural form is cheese. Kamra, बहुवचन is kamre. Third, paudha, बहुवचन is paudhe. Fourth, gada, the बहुवचन is gade. I hope you all have written the answers. Now let's move to the second exercise. दूसरा अभ्यास है मिलते जुलते शब्दों का मिलान कीजिए. That means match the rhyming words. I hope you all remember what is rhyming words. Two or more words that have the same or similar sound is known as rhyming words. For example, goat, boat, moon, noon, like that. So here, the first one is already done it for you. पहला है छाया, and the rhyming word is banaya. You can see it has similar sounds at the end. Chaya, banaya. On one side you have gaye, khushhali, ghada, and on the other side you have banaya, bada, haryali. Now you have to pause the video and match it. Now let's check the answer. First one is chaya, and the rhyming word for it is banaya. Second, gaye, rhyming word is jaye. Third is khushhali, rhyming word is haryali. Fourth, ghada, rhyming word is bada. You have to write all these questions plus answers in your Hindi notebook with proper date. अब तीसरा अभ्यास है अनुसार लगाकर लिखिए. I hope you remember the अनुसार symbol. It's just a dot. The first one is already done it for you. Chada, cha, da plus a. And when you put that anusar symbol, it becomes chanda. Second one is hai. Hai means is. Now you have to use that anusar symbol. Third is ra, ga. You have to use that anusar symbol. And the meaning of this word is color. Fourth is hame. You have to use that anusar symbol, and the meaning of this word is us. Fifth is birage. You have to use that Anusar symbol, and the meaning is colorful. Sixth is cheeze. That means things. You have to use Anusar symbol there. Now let's check the answer. The first one was Chanda. You can see here we are using that Anusar symbol on the consonant cha. Second was hai. Hai means is. Third is rang. You can see we are using Anusar symbol on the consonant ra. So it becomes rang. That means color. Fourth is hame. Hame means us. Fifth is birange. Birange means colorful. The last one is cheeze. Cheeze means things. I hope you all have written it in your Hindi notebook. Now we have Rachnatmak Abhivyakti. That means creative expression. The first one is आप किस किस को प्रणाम करते हैं? As we all know, pranam means to bow. Bow means to bend the knee or body or incline the head in worship, respect, or to greet or for agreement and so on. So now you have to write whom do you bow to. You have to write it and upload in assignments. Now in page number 9 you have second exercise, that is चित्र देखकर कहानी बताइए. See the picture and write a story. You can write the story in English language and upload in assignments in Microsoft Teams. Here you can see the first picture, two goats are on the narrow bridge. Second picture, you can see them fighting with each other. Third, you can see they fell down. Fourth, again they are on the same bridge. Fifth, they compromised and finally they crossed the road. So now you have to write a story in English and upload in assignments in Microsoft Teams. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अब हम अगले क्लास में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.